रॉन्ग ऐप यार, यूट्यूब खोल लो।
Good morning, evening, or night, everyone.
Because we do not know you or where you live due to legal purposes, so we'll have to work with that. Anyways,
Welcome to the first episode of DPS Unplugged How to Survive School, hosted by me, Zara, and my co host.
Zoya, well, as we'll talk about how to survive school with your mind intact, notes complete, and your bags light.
Because even though school life is exciting, it's kind of like a video game where every period is a level
Every teacher is a boss battle.
and lunch breaks are never long enough.
Like our lunches just sit there. मुझे खाना है, and we're just busy talking. So
But हम यहाँ complain करने नहीं आए हैं, okay?
Yeah, sure.
This episode's about surviving and thriving in school.
and guess what? We've got backup. We have our very own head girl right here with us, Saranya Sharma.
Hello everybody, this is Saranya, or what they call the head girl Didi. I'm honestly like 70% excited and 30% ready to just hide behind the mic right now. But it's fine, I promise I won't run. Not yet at least.
आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है दीदी and guess what? I can reciprocate your feelings. So I'd like to ask, आप actually what do you do as a head girl? You know?
Okay, so being a head girl is basically like unlocking all the side quests in a video game. I'm a student, leader, messenger, therapist, and sometimes an undercover agent. Like, who left their bag in the auditorium again? And everyone just looks at me like I have a GPS tracker for the bags.
दीदी इतनी responsibilities तो 12वीं की भी नहीं होती यार. I mean, I imagine teachers secretly expect you to have magical powers or something. If you did have magical powers though, what would your power be?
Oh, absolutely. People genuinely think I have a secret wand in my pocket. Every second person is like, please cancel the maths test. And I'm like, भाई, अगर मेरे पास सच में powers होती तो मैं सबसे पहले Monday mornings ही हटा देती.
I mean, hearing you say all this, it makes me think. What's the hardest part of your job?
Honestly, it's being organized. One second I am planning events, and the next second I'm trying to remember if I did my own homework. And sometimes just zoning out, imagining and praying I don't fall flat on my face on stage. And don't even get me started on the surprise speeches, like thanks for the heart attack.
God, that's so relatable. Now tell me, Saranyadi, what are the best parts about being a head girl?
The best part is when juniors come up and ask for advices. Like, it's so cute. And when someone says thank you, like, oh my god, so wholesome. And let's not forget about Meenakshi ma'am appreciating you. Main character movement.
Moving on, Saranya Didi, you being a 12th grader alongside being the head girl of the school is crazy. So we need to know your top 5 tips. We do. जनता जानना चाहती है दीदी, आपको बताना पड़ेगा.
Okay, so first of all, know your timetable. Seriously, don't do what I did. Turn it into an origami and spend half the day decoding it like it's a secret message. Like, नहीं 3 बजे रात को हमें morning walk पे नहीं जाना.
Very guilty. मेरे बैग में एक टाइम टेबल के 3 वर्जन्स पड़े हुए हैं and none of them are correct. Like what?
That's so true. Second one is be nice to your monitors. They literally have the power to make or break your attendance. Be smart. Always be friends with the list people.
एक सेकेंड, आई डेंट एक्सपेक्ट द अटेंडेंस पार्ट बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे मॉनिटर्स को कोई सीरियसली नहीं लेता. तो वर्स्ट दे कैन डू इज चुप कर जाओ वरना बोर्ड पे नाम लिख दूंगा बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा ही होता है.
गिल्टी भाई, मैं 3 साल तक मॉनिटर रही हूँ. थर्ड पॉइंट इज कीप एक्स्ट्रा पेन्स एंड पेंसिल्स. ट्रस्ट मी, दे डिसअपियर फास्टर देन योर पॉकेट मनी व्हेन यू सी अ मिनी सो स्टोर.
Oh my god, Zoya, do you remember that 7th की story?
Oh my god, do you mean the pen chori?
God, I really need to hear that story behind the scene. Okay, next is eat your lunch. Empty stomach plus surprise oral test is equal to a brain freeze. I've tested that theory many times. Like, खाना आते ही मैं मोटू पतलू वाली मोटू बन जाती हूँ. खाली पेट मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती तो नहीं चलती. The last one has to be laugh often. You won't remember all the marks you got, but you will remember the time your friends fell off the chair. True story. मेरी जानी दुश्मन under miscellaneous circumstances fell off the stairs.
Sus.
I know that sounds very sus, but for further inquiry, please contact my lawyer and not me.
Now let's move on to our next segment, Classroom Confessions. Dee, in your 7 years at school, what is your most chaotic school moment?
Oh god, here we go again. Once I shouted the wrong quiz answer with full confidence. Like itna sure thi main, even the teacher looked impressed for a second. And yes, my lovely friends turned it into a meme. Thanks guys. And when we were preparing for the farewell of class 12th, I mean the passed out class 12th, I was the head organizer at that time. So we had a fight and there my friend like literally shouted in front of the whole class, "Ja tu usi ki side le le." And I literally ran out of the class in slow motion and like that was literally my "Chan se jo toote koi sapna" moment. Like that is so embarrassing.
That's so relatable.
I went through a very similar thing. So we were practicing for the class assembly, and my friend, for no reason, just cracked a joke, and I spat out the water like a fountain.
These are the best memories. Our school bloopers.
Moving on, I'd like to mention Saradhana Didi was always that idol for me. I mean, I've known her for almost my whole life, and she was the perfect image in my mind. Like, Didi, I need to be like her. She was my idol.
Oh my god, Zoya. Okay, so the tips are, first of all, use D&D while studying. Notifications are evil. One text and suddenly you are stalking random cat reels instead of revising. Especially those meow 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 ones. Oh my god.
God,
And what's with the Gen Z brain rot? It's so annoying.
The second one is use note-taking apps. OneNote, Notion, Evernote, they're lifesavers. You can even record class audio and feel like a spy.
God, that's so helpful. It saved me a ton of time.
The third one is use Google Calendar. I swear it's the only reason I remember I exist. Tests, events, reminders to breathe. Every single thing. And finally, use Zoom or Gmeet for group projects. So you don't have to chase your friends around the playground screaming, "Yaar, slides bana li kya?" And a true story, guys. I had this group project with like a few of my classmates and he didn't want to give it. So he ran to the playground and actually hid behind a tree. Like I could literally see him and he was hiding there. And when Gurmeet sir caught him, he was literally hiding behind a bench. Like, bro, I can see you, I have eyes.
सही में भाई, digital teamwork for the win. So Dee, tell us, what are your favorite gadgets or tools for students?
Definitely noise cancelling headphones because sometimes you need to block out world and especially your siblings shouting too. And Quizlet because flashcards are way more fun than they sound.
एक सेकेंड, हम बेफालतू में ब्रांड्स की प्रमोशन क्यों कर रहे हैं? हमें पैसे तो मिल नहीं रहे हैं इसके.
Google, if you're hearing this, please sponsor me.
Zoom as well, please. Kind of sad. Our time with our head girl Didi is coming to an end. But thanks for the tips, I guess.
I really hope my little tips help someone survive school or at least feel less like they are trapped in a Netflix school teen movie. Just remember, school isn't about being perfect. It's about growing, laughing, and sometimes completely messing up, and that's okay.
We covered everything from water explosions to Google Calendar. Dee, this was so fun. I really hope we can do it again.
And remember, guys, school is not about perfection. It's about the chaos we bring to life in this very premises with our laughter as we grow.
Final advice, keep your timetables close, your pens extra, and your laughter loud.
Bye!